taking her to her send-off. Today's the last day that I'm going to own her, so get one final ride on her. I'm taking her to the dealership right now to trade her in. But it's been a really good bike. Alright, let's do this. Yep, so I'm heading to the dealership right now, trade in my Honda Shadow. And the reason I'm trading her in is I do a lot of exploring and camping videos and stuff like that, and she's a great bike. I mean, I really love this bike a lot. I've had her for a few years now. Nice and powerful. She is kind of heavy, and it's a road bike. It's a cruiser bike, and she's really designed, you know, for this kind of riding right here. And I've been looking at a lot of different bikes, and price is definitely something that, you know, I need to consider. And I wanted something that, you know, was still a road bike, but a little more versatile. Something I can put bags on a little easier as far as like for camping and stuff like that. Not necessarily saddlebags. I tried the saddlebags for a while and it was fine too. I'm almost at the dealership. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any kind of filming inside or not. Alright, here it is. Southern Honda Power Sport. Let me bring her in here and then sign it off.
If I ever get a street bike, this is the one that I want.
What is that?
This one right here. That right there is pure redneck. That's awesome. Dun, dun, dun. I think this is my new bike.
Well, there she is. Brand new. The 2014, brand new out of the crate. I opted to not go for the 15 because there's nothing new about it, and it was more expensive. So, all right. Jeez. Wow, it feels so different than my Shadow. It's gonna take a while to get used to it. So smooth. Making sure that I'm recording. Yep, so this is it. brand new. The only miles that are on it are miles at sea, 3 miles. Just the miles that they put on it when they float the liquids through and stuff like that. Clutch is totally different than the Shadow 2. That's something I'm really going to have to get used to. Much more sensitive. Oh, I really like it. A little dusty. I'll have to get her a nice bath. Okay, yeah, this has a lot more power than what I thought. Trying to turn off the indicator, accidentally hit the horn. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the mirrors or not. That's gonna take a little while to get used to. The horn is right where my turn signal used to be. And the turn signal is right where my horn used to be. So naturally, you want to go for turn signal at the horn. That'll take a little while. This is so different in a positive way. I just feel like I have so much more control than I did before. Not that I felt that I had lack of control on the Honda Shadow. I just feel like I have more control. Maybe it's because the engine places it so low to the ground. Probably helps that I'm up so high, and I don't know. I dig it. I dig it. I'm gonna hop on the highway real quick, see if I can catch this guy. Here. I'm gonna pull in, do a real quick walk around. All right. So there she is, Honda NC700X. NC stands for New Concept because of the kind of engine that they put in it. It is chain driven. And I have to say that I'm extremely happy with my decision. It is a beautiful bike. They actually took it out of the crate while I was there. I love it. Shut this guy off. Now this, anybody who's seen the videos on this bike probably already know, but I'm going to share it anyways. The fuel tank for this, the access to it is actually underneath the passenger seat. This right here, if you turn it to the right, it lifts up and you have storage. And this is where my old tank bag is. I'm not going to put a tank bag on this, obviously won't need it. But you can get a dealer to put a 12-volt plug in here and stuff like that. I didn't bother to deal with that. But if you turn it the other way, it pops up. And this is where your access to your fuel is at. So I'm going to probably put a rag in here or something like that. So that way if I have any mishaps, then I can get it nice and cleaned up. I really, really like it. You'll have to excuse me, I'm going to take a picture. The most of the interest that I get on my channel is because of the bushcraft stuff and the outdoor stuff, which I think is awesome, and I love it, and I love doing it. And I would do that more than anything else, but I love riding a motorcycle, and I like the aspect of being able to do vlogs on it. I know that that's not really the draw to anybody to my small channel, but you know, I appreciate anybody who's willing to sit through and listen to it. So, yeah, I love my new bike. Take it easy, guys. Fuel indicator. This box right here is for your gear indicator, speedometer, clock, and your total mileage. As you can see, I'm at 15 miles right now. Wow, so quiet. Pretty awesome.